Hey Princess House, Linda Bradley here, your chef for the day. So on Lunch with Linda today, I decided to use our new air fryer to make coconut shrimp. You can also make this in the oven if you'd like. The advantages of an air fryer is that it doesn't heat up your kitchen. Like literally today, it's gone up to 100 degrees. We have a heat wave going on. So I like being able to use the air fryer as opposed to the oven. So this is how easy this recipe is, and shrimp goes on sale all the time. Grab a bag, but make sure you get the ones with the tails on for this experiment. So you're going to take 3 shallow bowls. One is just filled with 1/2 of a cup of flour and 1½ teaspoons of pepper. My middle bowl is filled with just 2 eggs, that I've scrambled up. And then the last bowl has 1/3 of a cup panko breadcrumbs, 2/3 of a cup coconut. All right, and then you're going to grab the coconut shrimp, grab the shrimp by the tail. That's the whole point. And then you're going to put it in the flour. Don't get the tail, right? It actually won't even get your hands dirty at all because you're not touching any of it. I do have tongs here just in case. And then you're going to put it in the coconut mixture and line it in the basket. The other thing that I like about ours is number 1, that it has a basket, but number 2, that it is non-stick. So it's going to be really, really easy to clean. Hey guys, I'm back. So the air fryer is just about finished. It's going to be buzzing any second now. What'll happen is when it's finished, it will beep for you and let you know that it's done. And then I did use my tongs to flip them because it's very hot in there, 400 degrees. So I did use the tongs to flip them, and then obviously I'm going to use the tongs to get them out. And that's a simple, easy recipe. And then I have the mixture, as I said, lime juice and honey and some spices. And so this is our coconut shrimp in the air fryer. And then of course you can use it with all of the spices. Oh, it's still saying a little bit of time. Click, click, click. All right, so did you like my recipe for today? I'm trying to find some real nice fun ones for the summertime. If you have any suggestions, please feel free to tell me because I'm always looking for good meals to make. I try to focus on healthy meals, things that you already have in your house, no crazy recipes that, make you go to the store just to buy something. And I don't know why this isn't beeping, but it's done. So I'm gonna end it. Ooh. All right, let me see if I can show you this without dropping it on the floor. I'm not sure. So they look really good. Oh, they smell delicious. I love these tongs that they have like the fork on the one end and then the other end has just a regular tong type of material. But the tails are pink, which tells me that they are finished. They are done. They're going to be very hot. And I am going to make some more because they smell phenomenal. And all the dirt, like all the extra coconut, is in the bottom, so it's going to be really easy to get out. So if I don't drop it, there they are, coconut shrimp in the air fryer. They're going to be too hot for me to taste. I already know this. I will come back and tell you and then I'll dip them.